How are you everybody? I am Mr. Saeed Abdul Muhsin, math teacher for grade 5. I'm going to explain lesson 3, coordinate planes, at page 377 on your book, at page 377. This lesson talk about coordinate planes. Coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of horizontal number line and vertical number line. يعني هي تقاطع خط رأسي مع خط أفقي. Okay. The place at which of the two number lines cross is called the origin. يعني نقطة تقاطع الخطين الأفقي والرأسي اسمها نقطة الأصل اللي هي 0 0. Okay. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis اللي هو الخط الأفقي بنسميه محور السينات اللي هو x-axis. Okay, the x-axis is the horizontal, what about the vertical number line, اللي هو الخط الرأسي is called y-axis. يبقى الخط الرأسي اسمه محور الصادات اللي هو y-axis. Again, the horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. The definition of coordinate plane pair is an ordered pair of the numbers that indicate the coordinates of a point on a plane. Okay, you can graph any point on a coordinate plane by using an ordered pair x and y. You know the meaning of this. انت ممكن تضع اي نقطة على الشبكة التربيعية هذه اللي هي الكوردينيت بلين اسمها الشبكة التربيعية in Arabic. ممكن تضع عليها أي نقطة بإحداثيات from x and y, from x axis and y axis. The first coordinate الإحداثي الأول from x axis من محور x، والإحداث الثاني the second coordinate from y axis. Let's complete. The first number x in the pairs is called the x coordinate, corresponding to the number on the x-axis, and the second number is called the y-coordinate, corresponding to a number on the x-axis. So that the order pair on your page at page 377 you can find it 1 3, 1 from x-axis, and 3 from y-axis. The point will be here on the grid or coordinate plane. Thank you for listening. We will turn to another page. Page 379. Look at page 379. You can find exercise number 1. Use the grid to find. Grid here it means coordinate plane اللي هي شبكة المربعات. Find the coordinates of the points N, M, B, T and O. The first point اللي هي N, you can find it here. N close to 1 from x-axis and 4 from y-axis, so that the coordinates of the point N will be 1 and 4. The coordinates of the point M, you can find M here. It's close to 3 from x-axis and according to 3 from y-axis, so the coordinates of M will be 3 3. Number 3, the point B is close to 5 from x-axis and 7 from y-axis. You can find it will be 7 and 2. B here, okay, not here. This is the point B, close to 7 from x-axis and 2 from y-axis, okay, here. The coordinates of the point B will be 7 and 2. What about number 4? The point T, it will be close to 5 from x-axis and close to 7 from y-axis. The coordinates of it will be 5 to 7, okay, 5 and 7. The last point will be O. It's called origin point اللي هي أنا سميتها قبل كده نقطة الأصل اللي هي 0 and 0, okay. Exercise number B, plot each point. هنسوي العكس, the converse of the last operation. هنحط النقاط على الجريدز, okay. We will plot each point on the grid. Number 1, the point A, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay. You know 1 2, it means 1 from x-axis, you know, and 2 from y-axis. Okay, we will go to the coordinate plane at 1 on the x-axis and 2 from y-axis. You can find A here. Okay, what about the point B? The point B 3 0, 3 from x-axis, you know, and 0 from y-axis. And when you get the point B, you have to get 3 on the x-axis and stay on 3 on the x-axis. Okay, not to be up. Okay, you have to stay at 3 of the x-axis. Number 3, the point C 0 5, 0 from x-axis and 5 from y-axis. You have to go up 5 squares on the y-axis. You can find the point C here at 5 on the y-axis. Okay, number 4, you find point D 4.5 and 4.5 from x-axis, you know, and 4 from y-axis. We will go 4.5 on x-axis and go 4 up squares on y-axis. You can find the point D here. Okay, number 5, the point E, you can find it 6 from x-axis, you know, and 1 from y-axis. Okay, 6 from x-axis here, and go up only 1 square. You can find it the point E here. Now it's time to find the point 5, 7 and 3.5. 7 from x-axis, you know, we will go 3.5 squares up. You can find F here, the point F here. Number C, solve. Question number C, plot 3 5 and 5 3. Do the 2 points have the same location? Explain. You know that 3 and 5 different of 5 and 3, because 3 and 5, it means 3 from x-axis and 5 from y-axis, different locations, you know. About 5 and 3, you can find 5 from x-axis and 3 from y-axis. To find or to plot the point 3 5, you have to go 3 from x-axis here. After that, you go up 5 squares to find the point here. But the first point here اللي هي 3 and 5. Okay, and the second point, to find 5 or plot 5 3, you have to go and on to 5 on x-axis. After that, you have to go up 3 squares. You can find the point here called 5 3. So that the 2 points, they are different, not the same locations. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Time is finished.